Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to create this gorgeous ETH look. Now I have used a few products and it is extremely simple to create this look. So I hope you guys will recreate it. Now if you want, you can definitely change up the lip color. I thought this shade looks very pretty. And anyway, if you guys are interested to know how I create this super gorgeous look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with the moisturizer. I'm using the Derm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I'm going to apply this all over my face. I love using this before makeup. It makes my skin hydrated. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. It makes my skin very smooth and it primes it really well, and also my skin feels very dewy. My makeup lasts really long using this primer, so I absolutely love this. Now this is not a pore filling primer. So today I'm skipping foundation. I'm going with the concealer directly. I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer and the shade I'm using is 140, which is pure beige. Now I am going to apply this all over the highest points of my face, and using a beauty blender I'm going to blend it all over my face. I'm also going to apply this on my eyes so that it covers up the pigmentation. Now if you want, you can spray your sponge with the setting spray so that the makeup lasts really long. Next, I'm using the Sugar Power Clay BB Cushion. The shade I'm using is number 55. This is little dark for me, so I love using this for my contour. I'm going to use this on my cheekbones and also on my jawline. Next, I'm taking this Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade I'm using is 05 Soft Nude. I'm going to apply this on my cheeks with the help of a brush, and I'm also going to apply this on my nose and a little bit on my chin. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. The shade I'm using is medium. I'm going to bake my under eyes, and whatever is left, I'm going to set my full face. Now, if you want, you can skip the loose powder and use a compact instead. So while it's baking, let's do the brows. I'm using the Indulgio Brow Pro Eyebrow Soap. I'm using a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus. And next I'm going to comb it really nicely, and you can see the difference it makes. Now to fill in my brows, I'm using the Sigma Brow Powder and also the Faces Canada Eyebrow Brush. I'm just filling it in and it looks very natural. After that, I'm going to dust off all the loose powder I have on my face, and then I'm going to set my face using the MAC Fix Plus. For my highlighter, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. I'm using it on my highest points of my face and it gives that beautiful glow. Moving on to my eye makeup, I'm using the same lip and cheek tint on my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to blend it really nicely. This is optional. If you want, you can definitely skip this. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow. The shade I'm using is Shells and Whistles. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend it on my crease. I'm also going to repeat it so that it looks intense and it looks blended. I'm also applying the same lip and cheek tint on my lower lash line, and I'm also taking that liquid eyeshadow on my inner corners and a little bit on my lower lash line. Now to complete this eye look, I'm going to use the Forever 52 Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara. This is my absolute favorite. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Matte Lipstick. The shade I'm using is number 19 Dark Brown. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also Eid Mubarak to everybody. So I am going to mention the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah.